Welcome to Sophie TV, and today we're gonna be making a dinosaur. So first thing you want to do when you're making a dinosaur is doing the first 4 steps as making a swan. Well, a mean bird, the ones that I showed you how to make in our first ever video for origami. So you're gonna want to do the creases. So you want to fold the triangle, other triangle, then you're gonna want to rectangle over here, and then rectangle over here. Boom, boom, boom. And then you're gonna want to do the first step is put it like that. Make sure this is even. So you're gonna want this here. Remember to crease that up. Fold this back. Have this all pointed up evenly. Push it, and then just crease it up. Just crease it up like that. So you get something like that. Like that. You're doing the same on the other side. Fold it there. Crease it up. Even it up. Do all those good things, you know. Bend it a diamond, plate, whatever you want to call it. I call it square. And then you want to fold back. Fold it in the middle. Fold it in the middle. Make it even. Put that right there. Then get that over here. Not even enough. There we go. Same thing over here. Make sure it's all Gucci, all even. Oh man. I pushed it too hard. Then you're gonna want to do that. Unfold it. Unfold it. So then you're back to the kite again. Then you're gonna fold it in. Then you're gonna push this in so you can fold it all the way to the top too. Boom, 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 like that. Fold it all the way to the top like that. So you got that going right there for you. I hope you guys can see. All good. Sorry, I was blocking the view. You don't want to do that. Then you're going to want to do the same thing on the side. Make sure those go all the way up. Nice and even. Same thing over here. Push that in. Make it easy. Boom, boom, boom. Fold it all the way up. Get to the top. And this is the part that's really easy about making it. So you don't really have to make any more folds than that. Just make it into this. And then you're going to want to fold it. So you're going to have like that. You're going to fold it down. Ooh, paper. So you're going to fold it down like that. Fold it down, fold it down. Fold that in. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. And then you want to fold this in. So you got it like that. And then you want to put it in just like so. Fold it a little bit. Should be more straighter. You can always fold it like that. Then from there you're just gonna do that. Fold them in. Fold the other side. Fold him in. Gotcha. Oh, whoops. Make sure you don't fold both of them. You gotta leave one flat for his tail. So that's messed up. Then you're gonna wanna put his head. You can give up right here, fold his head like that, and then fold this in and all that. But I like to make his head nice and cool, so you're gonna want to fold this in like that. Then do it on the side, fold his head in like that, and then after that, you wanna come inside to his head. Then you wanna fold it in like that, and usually it should come out like this, so his neck is like that. Then you just fold it in, and then you got his head just like that. Then you're gonna want to fold this in like that, fold it back, so fold it back, okay. Then you want to fold the leg in like that, and then you want to do it again. So fold it back and then fold it again in here. Then there you go. His head kind of look like your boy.
I'm a different breed. I'm a different culture. I'm a different man.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You've been watching Sophie TV. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
There you go, mate. Do you want any chocolate on top?
Oh, yes, please.
Yeah, right.
Bit more. Bit more. Oh, too much, sorry.
Too much? Yeah, okay.
Asked me if I fueled this plane yet or not, because they're taking off right now. I told them I did. April Fools, I didn't. They won't make it past Kansas. You know, maybe that's not